Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture time. We have one more important questions from quantum mechanics. You have to find the uncertainty product in position and momentum for a particle of mass m and represented by 1D wave functions. You have given psi x equal to g exponential minus x squared by 2x squared plus iota k naught x, where e is constant and k naught and a are real and positive constant. Then how will you find the uncertainty in positions and uncertainty in momentum operator? Then find product of position and momentum. So according to uncertainty principle, you will have to know what is uncertainty principles. It is the product uncertainty in position and uncertainty in momentum. You have given only wave functions and you will have to find uncertainty in position and uncertainty in momentum. So now start. First you have to find mean. How to find mean position, mean value of position operator. So you have to give n minus infinity to plus infinity psi x magnitude of square. If you have given this x, then here x will be put out. If you have x square, then x square will come. Minus infinity to plus infinity magnitude of psi x square x dx divided by minus infinity to plus infinity psi x square dx. Now further solve, only solve. So you have basic wave functions and exponential minus x square by a squares. This is the odd function with x. So integration will be 0, hence mean positions in position operator will be 0. Now mean position in momentum operator, then basic formula is essential for this. I used minus iota h cross d by dx. This is position operator, and psi star psi x dx divided by minus infinity to plus infinity psi star x psi x dx. Minus iota h cross will be outside the integrations. So only exponential minus x square by 2a square minus k naught x d by dx minus x square by 2a square by a plus iota k naught x dx by a naught square a square minus infinity to plus infinity exponential minus x square by a square dx. Next step, this minus iota h cross will be outside the, and this a square will be cancelled. So you have only minus infinity to plus infinity exponential minus x square by 2a square minus iota k naught square. Differentiation of minus x square by 2a square, this is this, and again multiplied by minus x square minus x by a square, because differentiations of minus x square will be minus 2x and 2 will be cancelled. So only your remaining term is minus x by a square plus iota k naught x, because this x will makes dx by dx will be 1, so you have only iota k naught dx. Now integrations of this two term. So in shorts, you have this and this max minus x square by a naught, because this minus and this plus will be cancelled out, and minus x square by 2a square and minus x square by 2a square will make minus 2x square by 2a square, 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so you have only minus x square by a squares, and this term you have minus x by a squares plus iota k naught dx, and denominators minus infinity to plus infinity exponent minus x over a dx. Next step, minus iota minus will be common, so you have minus x square exponential minus x square by a squares x by a squares dx, plus you have two terms, this time this exponential will be multiplied by this, and first this exponential will be multiplied by this, so you have only two terms, basic multiply. In the next step, minus iota, this a square will be outside the integrations, so minus infinity to plus infinity exponential minus x square by a squares x dx. Again this is odd function, as I mentioned already here in position moment operator, so this will be 0, you have only this, and this will be cancel out because same term, so h cross k naught outside the integration, so you have only h cross k naught. Now you get mean value of position and mean value of momentum. Now you have to find mean value of xy in position operator, so only this will require xy. I already told basic formula used, magnitude of e square will be outside the integrations, both in numerator and denominator, so both will be cancelled out, only you have 0 to infinity, because minus infinity to plus infinity I can write in this 0 to infinity, same to same process in denominator, so basic formula is used, gamma functions of exponential minus x square by, because here is minus 1 by e square coefficients, and this will be x square, only integration formula used. I used this basic formula, 0 to infinity exponential minus alpha x square x to the power n dx, where x to the power n, where n is equal to 2, this formula equal to x, gamma functions of n plus 1 by 2 to alpha power n plus 1 by 2. This formula is you have to remember, so please note down. Hence gamma x equal to 2 plus 1 3 by 2, gamma 3 by 2 divided by 2 in terms of alpha 1 by e square and power n plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2, 1 plus n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1, n equal to 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2, basics. And same formula used in denominator, so 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and only solve this, and the remaining term will be, you have only e square by 2. Now you have position operator, so mean value of p square, how to find, only this term requires p equal to minus iota h cross d by dx, p equal to minus iota h cross d by dx, then p square equal to minus iota h cross square, and minus iota will be max, minus iota squares will be max, plus minus iota minus plus, and I square minus 1, so minus h cut square will be outside the integrations, and you have only d2 by dx xy, integrations exponential minus x by 2 square plus iota k naught x dx, and same process. So again you have to one more basic integrations, d2 by dx square exponential minus x square plus iota k naught x. So again required, you have to notice d by dx exponential minus x square 2a square plus iota k naught x exponential minus x by s plus iota k naught x equal to exponential minus x square by 2a square plus iota k naught x minus x by a square plus iota k naught square plus exponential minus x square by 2a square plus iota k naught. Simple basic formula used. Only differentiation, because you have double differentiations of this function, so first differentiations will be this and the second differentiations will match this. Again I put this in this positions, this will make this, so you have expectation value of p square will max this. First you don't confuse, because first differentiations of with respect to x will make this exponential minus x square by 2a square plus iota k naught x. First integrations, because this will max minus 2x minus 2 and 2 will be cancelled, minus x by x and x dx by dx will max 1 iota k naught x. Second differentiations u into v. So this is basic differentiations, you already know. Now you have more terms, so separate each other. Minus h cut square by minus h cut square minus infinity to plus infinity exponential minus x square by a square into x by a square dx. First terms, second term this and this max this, third term this and for this max this, and fourth term this. Now first, second, third, fourth, total 4 term 1 2 3 4, divided by this, no problem. Only you have two terms, this and this already, all are separated, so you have 4 terms, one first second third 4 already divided by this, and this will be cancelled out here, this and this will be cancelled out, this will make 0. So only you have first and second terms minus h cut square by a square, because this integration and this integration will make this, and this will be h cut square by k naught squares, and this will be minus h cut square by a squares and a by 2. Basics you already know. Basic calculations, p square expectation equal to minus h cut square by k naught square plus h square by 2a squares. Now basic formula, this will be, you have to know and you will have to remember this formula. Uncertainty in positions equal to a square root of x square expectation minus expectation x whole square, and a square root equal to, this will max this term, sorry in previous we already a square by 2, this will max and this will max 0, so you have only these terms, and a square root of a square by 2 will make a by square root 2. Now positions in uncertainty in position, so uncertainty in momentum square root p, same formula used, but only this will be, this is position and this is momentum, p square expectation minus p expectation whole square. You have this makes this, and in p square expectation I already find out in previous page. So only you have h cut square by square root 2a squares, and now product of uncertainty in positions and momentum will make a by square root 2 h by root 2a, and this will max this, and a will be cancelled out, and only h by root 2 and root 2 will max h cross by 2. This is the uncertainty, this is the product of uncertainty in position and momentum operator. Now end up. Thank you.